Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of heat transfer. Buckle up because we're about to unlock some secrets that will change the way you think about temperature and energy. First off, let's talk about what heat transfer actually is. In simple terms, heat transfer is the movement of thermal energy from one object or substance to another. This process can happen in three main ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Sounds cool, right? Let's start with conduction. Imagine you're holding a metal rod, and one end is in a fire. The heat from the fire moves through the rod to your hand, making it hot. That's conduction in action. Essentially, it's the transfer of heat through direct contact. Metals are great conductors because their particles are closely packed together, making it easier for heat to move through them. Next up, we have convection. Think about boiling water. As the water at the bottom heats up, it becomes less dense and rises to the top. Cooler water then sinks to the bottom to replace it. This creates a circular motion called a convection current. Convection is all about the movement of fluids, like liquids and gases, transferring heat within them. Now let's talk about radiation. This one's a bit different because it doesn't need any contact or medium to transfer heat. The heat from the sun reaches us through radiation. It travels through the vacuum of space via electromagnetic waves. That's why you can feel the warmth of the sun even though it's millions of miles away. So why is understanding heat transfer important? Well, it plays a crucial role in everything from cooking your food to designing energy-efficient buildings. Engineers and scientists use these principles to develop better insulation, improve industrial processes, and even tackle climate change. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Now, let's do a quick recap. Heat transfer can happen through conduction, where heat moves through direct contact. Convection, which involves the movement of fluids creating a current. And finally, radiation, where heat travels through electromagnetic waves without needing a medium. Understanding these concepts can help you in your studies and everyday life. So next time you're enjoying a warm cup of coffee or feeling the sun on your face, you'll know exactly how that heat is getting to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome science videos. Stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.